Hiya, this is Saoirse, August Amos, and we're in Bristol in the UK. Well, it's in SASANA. And this is the SS Great Britain. I hate to say that, but that's what it is, yeah. Anyway, it was launched in 1843, and it's the first passenger liner in the world. It was the largest ship for 10 years in the world, and it's got a steel hull, and it's been restored since 1970 something. But anyway, it's really cool to see that change between the sailing ships and the steamers, and it's like 10 years, almost 20 years before they hit HMS Warrior, which was over there in Portsmouth. And then Bristol is a fun place to visit while you're here. We had a good time in Bedminster doing a murder in Bedlam tour of it at night. It was really fun with some friends over there, my family and some others. And so now we're exploring the wharf. Also, the Bristol Museum and Art Gallery is up at the top of the hill, and then you can come down and go to Bristol Cathedral. It's good to go to Bristol Cathedral after you've been to Bath and Canterbury and Glastonbury, but it's fine by all itself, so that's good. Anyway, if you look around, they've kind of redone this as if it's in the time period. So you have your wagons and your horse carriage, and the kitty over here getting the rats. And then also when you go inside, there's a tour, and you can go down below the waterline and you can actually see the hull, which is rather historic since it's one of the first ironclad ships of the time.
Hello there.
Yes, you have no idea. They're awful.
Around. So the three main this is trying not to get her. One on board.
sin éige fá, SASANA.